That's fine.
Huh?
If you're comfortable figuring that out. It's after 11. Haven't had any breakfast yet. Oh, shade feels good.
We also had the options.
What?
Just wondering if we were going to take a picture.
They've got the food truck down there. It smells really good. We got some food from there a couple nights ago. I got the pulled pork with, I believe it was a mango barbecue with rice. It was really good. Anyway, I am very wiped out, but feeling very, I feel good. It was kind of a relaxing day today. I haven't even seen half of the family today because we kind of did our own things today. I took a nap and then we went to the beach. We were gonna work on our tan, but then it was like getting very toasty. So we decided to go jump in the water, and we ended up spending most of our time there, partly because the sun went behind a huge cloud and the wind just kept like turning the cloud in circles. So the sun was covered for probably a good hour. I don't even know, because the time kind of, I thought it was only 3 o'clock when we were done, but it was after 5, so I have no idea how long we were actually out there. But anyway, we were hoping to get back out and tan some more, but the sun stayed covered, which is probably good because I'm still sunburned. So this way we spent most of the time in the water, and I was actually able to enjoy the waves. I figured out how to like jump when the wave would come, and I figured out how to just float around and like be one with the wave, Jason said. So it was a lot of fun, but oh man, when that salt water gets in your eye, oh, it burns so bad. And then we kept hitting these cold patches in the water, and that was like, and then the wind started blowing really hard at one point. Well, towards the end it started blowing pretty heavy, and so it was actually kind of cold. But yeah, it's 6:40 right now. I guess we're gonna go think about something to have for dinner, and we're flying home tomorrow. So this is our last night here, and I am definitely ready for bed. I am so wiped. I'm exhausted, but I am happy. I had a lot of fun out there in the water. I felt like a mermaid at one point. It was just super fun, and I'm feeling very, very glad that I was able to get past my fear of those waves. And yeah, it was super fun. But yeah, we're coming home tomorrow. Hopefully I can sleep on the plane, otherwise I'm gonna be so exhausted. I'm gonna be tired anyways, of course, but because we are flying during the night. That's when our flight is, and so hopefully I can sleep. We'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna go because I'm just like so relaxed right now. It's like if I weren't so hungry, I would say let's just skip dinner and go to bed because I'm so relaxed. Anyways, this has been quite an experience, and it's been really fun and so beautiful. But I think I'm ready to go home. I think maybe a few more days would have been nice here, but gotta go home sometime. Jason keeps saying he wants to make our home here, and I'm like, I don't know about that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.